Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the right parts and positioning yourself near predictable energy sources. Gather metal plates and any in-game battery items, then head to a lightning-prone ridge or active geyser. Once done, set a small work area and open the build menu. Make sure to place conductive pieces where they'll connect. You want a compact cluster so power moves quickly. Don't waste time collecting every item. Prioritize heavy conductors and 1-2 storage units to begin charging devices immediately. Now you construct a charging circuit. Place the lightning rod or other source first, then link metal plates directly to battery or storage units with the fewest joints. You want solid contact. Once connected, test by triggering the source or using a small spark. Make sure to add non-conductive spacers beneath delicate components to prevent accidental shorting. If one storage fills slowly, add another in parallel to increase capacity. Throughout, double-check connections because a single loose plate kills the whole flow. Finish by protecting and controlling the array. Cover exposed parts and add a manual switch between storage and output so you control discharge. Once done, trigger the source repeatedly to fill units, and then disconnect to store energy safely. If charging fails, methodically check every connection for misaligned plates, missing links, or items blocking contact. Make sure insulation hasn't interrupted the intended path. A final troubleshooting tip. If you still get no power, rebuild the line shorter. Fewer pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.